Imagine a world without coffee, chocolate, or fruit. That's what happens if bees disappear. Bees are tiny but powerful. Every time they land on a flower, they spread pollen, keeping plants alive and feeding the world. In fact, 1/3 of the food we eat exists because of bees. From apples and almonds to your morning coffee, their work touches almost everything we consume. But here's the problem. Bees are dying out due to pesticides and climate change. If they vanish, so will much of our food supply. So don't ignore the buzz. Protect the bees, protect life. Like this video if you care about nature. Share it to spread awareness, and subscribe for more amazing facts about our world.